Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am planning in my Hemlock Oak planner, and I'm going to be using all of these beautiful stickers. All of the shops will be linked down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out and possibly even save some money on your order. So for this plan with me, I am using this adorable and hilarious kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. So this one is their anti-Valentine's Day kit. So here we have the full boxes. Then we also have the deco sticker sheet, the date covers, the half boxes, the habit tracker, and their faux washi tape. These are from their $2 Tuesday sale, and I just love shopping that sale just because I am able to pick up the sticker sheets that I want and that I need as well. So this is the one that we're going to be using, but keep in mind that she also has the Valentine's Day one. So here we have the full boxes, the deco, the half boxes, the habit tracker, the date covers, and the faux washi as well. And then we also have this one for Lunar New Year. And so we have the full boxes, the deco, the half boxes, the date covers, the habit tracker, and the faux washi as well. So you guys know that I am obsessed with shopping their $2 Tuesday sale, which again is today. So be sure to stack our codes. That way you guys can save an additional 10% off of your order. And I actually mentioned it in my community post, but I am back on the Sweet Kawaii Design PR team for another term, and we received all new freebies, and they are super adorable. So this one is mine. Then we also have Mia's. Then we have Kylie's, Jennifer's, and the new member, which is Tanya. And I think that they are all super adorable. So again, I will have everyone's code linked down in the description box below. That way you guys can save, and that way you guys can collect all of the PR freebies. They are just way too adorable. So let's go ahead and get these out of the way. That way we can get started. And so of course, I am going to start off with the half boxes, and I am actually only going to be using these two colors here. So if I flip it around just a tiny bit, I can see exactly where I want this one. And so yeah, like I said, we are going to alternate between these two colors. And I actually have my Zit Clean color dots over here in this corner. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I do have them here. That way we can do our water intake tracker off to the side. So there's that one. And they also have like the smaller boxes, but I do love picking up these half boxes because I am able to layer them with the date covers, and I just love the layering effect. So let's go ahead and place this one down for Friday. Then we'll do the pink one for Saturday. And then we're going to go back to the purple one for Sunday. It is such a beautiful color scheme. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then we are going to go over here for the date covers. And I love that they have like the cutest little deco because it does add that decorative element. And so let's see where I can get it. I wanted to layer, but I also needed to cover up the existing date. So let's see what we could do over here. Usually I can like move it down just a little bit, but it looks like I'm having to move it up, which is completely okay. And so hopefully you guys had an amazing weekend. I actually haven't uploaded any videos since I actually did the Sweet Kawaii Design monthly sub box, and as you guys can tell, I was like losing my voice, and I don't know what happened. It came out of nowhere, and so I kind of started drinking medicine. So it is better, but it was just like there, kind of lingering, and I had no other symptoms. I was kind of coughing a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. And that was it. I mean, I seriously don't even know where it came from, but it's getting a little bit better, so I do apologize. But I was missing filming. Every time I stop for whatever reason, I miss it. And so I just had to get back on. And of course, I had to let you guys know about the $2 Tuesday sale and show off our new freebies because they are so cute. I am definitely ready for spring. So I am just done with all of like the winter spreads and the blues and like grays. I am ready for the pinks, the purples, the reds, all of the things. So let's go ahead and place the 5th right there, and hopefully we can get the 8th. So let's do 6. Oh no, I knew I did something wrong. So let's put the 8th back over there. I'll grab my little tool, and then we only have to move, oh no, we have to move 3 of them. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am a little bit rusty, as you can tell. So let's just lift this up, and nobody else is sick here at home, so I'm not sure what happened. But we are just gonna chug along. I think the little tea that I'm drinking is Theraflu, and the last time that my voice was going out, I actually drank that and it seems to be working. So that is what I'm going to keep taking. Okay, so now that we have that figured out, let's go over here because now I want to section off my little water intake. Okay, so there we go. It is looking super adorable. And so now what I want to do is grab this washi strip. That way we can add it over here at the bottom of the page, kind of like this. And then I am going to grab my little tool. That way I can just simply cut what is hanging out. So I think that should be good right about there. And now I am going to go over here and use these little decorative boxes. So I think we're going to use both of the pink ones since the washi is purple. So let's go ahead and grab this one as well. And we are simply, no, I think we're going to move it right here. It's going to go up just a little bit, but I think that right here should be good. As long as I get it straight. Okay, so that should be good. And so we have this double box, Love Stings. So I love that she did an anti-Valentine's Day and an actual Valentine's Day, because of course not everyone celebrates it. So she offers both of them, which is amazing. So I think that that looks really good. Let's see what else we have to work with. Let's go over here. So we already have this one. And let's see. Actually, I think I want to lay down some boxes. So how about we use these lighter pink ones that we didn't use. And so I think I might add this one here. And then this one is going to go over here in this corner. And I really think that he's so adorable. Oh my gosh, he looks super grumpy. And I just love that. So, yeah, how about we maybe grab him and simply place him right over here. Well, I think I need to get him straight first. Okay, there we go. So, yeah. right about there. And then I'm trying to see what I'm gonna use over here. So I'm debating about whether to use the decorative boxes or just the deco. I might do both. Okay, let's actually go over here, because instead of using like this box, maybe I can use it like this. So we're gonna add the pizza there, and of course I want to add the quote as well, so we might just add it like right in here. Okay, perfect. So I think that looks so pretty. And then yeah, let's use just all of the quotes and all of the cute things. So did I want to slant this? I mean, everything else is like head on. So yeah, let's maybe place that one there. And then as far as this one, I'm wondering if I could, or if I should, use maybe another box over here. Maybe like with that one, should we at least try it? I mean, I think so. And as you can see, these stickers are so easy to peel. At first, I was so scared because I had never used vinyl before. But as you just saw, it is just so easy. So yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Just all of the layering, all of the things. And so let's go back over here to this box, and we're gonna do something like this, and let's see what we could add over here. I'm like really loving these right here, so I think that's what we're going to use. So if I grab my tweezers, I can add this cute little guy here, and then maybe add the cute little donut. And let's see about this little bubble. Maybe we could add him here or here. I cannot get over how grumpy he is, poor little guy. Or should we just maybe add it here? I was kind of thinking right here. You know what? I'm just gonna add it before I end up changing my mind. And then I know we have this one right here, but I am kind of thinking that we could even also add it over here, just like that. Okay, so it is looking super cute. Now I do want to grab these habit trackers, and so we are going to add this one up here, and then let's go ahead and add the pink one over here. I actually should have switched them out, that way it's not pink on pink, but you know what, we are just gonna keep chugging along. It is not that serious. So let's go ahead and place that one there. Then yeah, let's go back to the pink one, and okay, we're gonna go a little bit higher with this one this time, so right about there. Okay, so now that we have this page done for the most part, let's go back over here, because I do want to add these little hearts down at the bottom. That way we can add a little bit of decoration down here. I just love adding these strips down here at the bottom. It's like a great little spot for it. Okay, so there is that. And then I actually also have an itty bitty sticker sheet. And I think I want to use this one because I think that I also have this one here. But I feel like this one goes better with the Valentine's Day one. We have like all of the hearts going on, the balloons and everything like that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one for that one. And because we have like the cute little mug here, I am going to place these ones over here in these boxes. And so we do have a little bit of red, right? But it's mostly just like pink and purple. So I think maybe I'll save the red one, maybe for the Lunar New Year, but I think for now we're just going to stick with the other ones. And I think one should be good, unless I do want to maybe cluster them, but no, I think one should be fine. And I don't think that I want to do the pink on pink, so let's actually move that one down at the bottom, and we'll go ahead and use this one up here. But now I kind of want to change it out though, and move this little guy with the pink one instead. That way I can use the pink one on the purple ones, and then the pink one could be switched out by the other one. And I just got done saying it's not that serious, and look at me just changing out the little decoration, but I think it's gonna be a little bit better like that. So yeah, let's grab the pink one for the purple one, because I don't want to do pink on pink. So then, oh, we actually have 3 of them. We have this one, and this one that we could use on the pink one. So we're gonna use this one again for the purple one, and then we're gonna do that third one for Saturday. Okay, so there we go. Oh yeah, that was such a good choice. And then as far as up here, I do like adding just a little bit of decoration. And these, of course, are going to be way too big, and we don't want to do the full boxes. So I think I'm just going to add like a little cluster of these. So let's maybe put the pink one in the middle. So maybe like that. Then we'll go ahead and add this little cutie, maybe like right in here. And then let's see about this one. So did I want to do the 3 or maybe just the 2? I think I'm going to just leave it at 2. Yeah, I think that looks super cute. And so question is, did I want to add anything over here as far as like the happy tracker? Because sometimes I just like adding like the cutest little deco, and I think that looks adorable. I feel like the red goes so much better on the right hand side, just because we do have a little bit of red, right? That's red, or is it pink? Oh my gosh, now I don't even know. I am questioning it myself, but we definitely have it on the pizza, right? It is the red pepperonis, at least I think so. So I think that we are going to add the very last one right in there, and this one already has so many cute little stickers surrounding it. So yeah, I think this turned out super adorable. I am loving the anti-Valentine's Day theme. I think it is super hilarious and just so adorable. And we have the date covers, the half boxes, a little bit of deco. We have our water intake section and the 4 habits that I'm tracking for the week, surrounded by just so much adorableness. And I think that I really love the way that it turned out. So yeah, be sure to check out the $2 Tuesday sale, and don't forget to stack our codes. That way you guys can save on your order, and so you guys can receive our adorable new freebies. They are just way too cute not to collect. So yeah, be sure to use it so that you can save and receive them as well. But for now, I am obsessed with the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at StephanyHappilyPlans. And I'll see you next time.